Are we shooting? A weird incident has happened this night. Slick Slime Sam's gang stole LOL Van. We have a tape from the scene. Let's see it right now.
Hit the gas! We're leaving! Go, go, go! Yay! Hey, what's so funny?
Is it true that cool Ninja Turtles become supervillains?
Hey, we just needed a van to catch the bad guys faster.
Really? Can I join your team then?
Sure, Susie. Come on, hit the gas and let's go.
I quit to become a Ninja Turtles team member.
Hi, fellows. We're parking here. Keep it steady. Aha.
He's a good boss. First, we'll prepare the van for coloring.
Hey, wait a minute. Wait. I want to stick the tape myself. Let me. Uh-oh. It's wrapped all over me.
It was a bit in a rush. Here you go. Now we're gonna stick the tape like this, making a long straight line. Everyone did great. We'll start coloring the outside of the van.
Oh, wow, it looks amazing. Can't wait to drive it. I'm gonna paint it yellow, Susie. Watch me. Okay. Tap, tap, tap. Huh, easy peasy. Ah, so pretty. My precious. And the wheels are gonna be… Hey, who painted them? It's me.
Our little helpers have painted them all. Give them a thumbs up. Good job, girls.
Finally, we can rip the tape off. Hiya!
And we'll color this stripe with red paint.
Ew, yuck! What's this smell? Is it cheese? Oh wait, here's a gift! For me? Really? It's so cute!
It might be a good piece for the van. This star looks good here.
Hop! Aha! Now we can draw stars together!
Wow, I really love the result. What about you, Sammy?
I want more paint, Susan! Let's get started!
Cool!
What are we gonna drive then? Climb down!
Wow, there is plenty of space inside. It looks kinda overwhelming.
We want a pizza place! Let's make it, please! I'll paint a dancing stage! It's gonna be so pretty! You'll see!
Girls, here are tasks for you. Michelangelo paints the pizza place.
Okay!
You two paint the wall behind the drawers.
Got it! Go, go!
Leonardo, you're with me. We'll paint walls and be right back. Stay tuned.
Oh, he's gonna catch her! Wow! Is there some pizza left? You've been binge watching for hours! Come on, cut it out! Ugh, those dolls! If you don't want to help, then Sue and I will finish it up! You'll see!
Sammy, you get glued to the screen too. Let them be. We'll manage.
Yay! Pizza place is open! I'll sit here. Waiter, menu please! Here you go! Lady Turtles, Coke glasses arrived! Wow, thanks! What else, Sammy? We want pizza! Pizza! Yeah, your all-time favorite. Ugh, I hate cheese!
And our superheroes love it. Do you like cheese, friends? Give a thumbs up if yes. While everyone's chilling in the pizza place, I'll finish up the wardrobe zone.
We can help, Susie! Let me!
Hey, don't pull the brush! I'll smear the paint! No, no!
Let me! Check out this mess! Are you sure they're really good ones? Try to catch us, Sammy! We are faster! Yeah, challenge accepted!
Sammy, are you playing around?
Sorry, these dolls have a bad influence on me. Now I'm ready to help.
go! It becomes a superhero van! Let's fight with your first monster!
Ha ha! Gotcha! Do you want more? Come closer, Spidey! Sammy, our hero! Villains, you're zero!
Don't waste all the pizza. Let's make cool blasters. Wow, the straw is sliced up! If you're gonna use hot glue, you should definitely ask an adult for help.
Woohoo, villains! Where are you?
Is this your weapon? Haha, such a joke!
Hey, it's rude to laugh at someone! Sue, they're bullying my blaster!
Got it, Sammy. Let's see who has the last laugh. Okay, let's make a whoosh! Aha! Now it looks like a super duper blaster! We'll attach it to the van to be able to aim right from the roof.
I was thinking, maybe our van needs some armor? Sue, any thoughts?
Ah, that's why this ice cube mold is here.
You know me so well! Don't stop! If you think I'm a genius too, give us a thumbs up, fellows!
The dolls cleaned the pizza place up. Let's check it out. The drawers are stuffed full. Here are a few ninja things. And some makeup, too. We should attach spoilers to the car. It won't take long. First, we'll draw a spoiler outline on the foam board. Then you should ask an adult to cut out the shape. One little swoosh, and it's painted! We'll place the spoiler on the roof's back. Hit the gas!
Finally! Jump in, girls! We'll catch all the thieves! Hurry! Let's go! Susie will bring a villain and come back. Wait for us!
Oh, is it over? Did you find anyone?
You wish! Susan, it was a disaster! No one recognized us!
Look! You just need some finishing touches. Aha! We'll attach a logo and some stickers with our turtles.
Clay mead! My turn! Step on it! Aha! We should hide a piece of foil inside. Do it, Susie!
We'll use foil to create a better shape. We're gonna make a Ninja Turtle's head! Put this figurine into the oven and then color it up.
It's awesome! Do you like it? Me too!
I'd give the first thumbs up. They certainly look alike. Do you agree?
By the way, watch a video with LOL Ninja Turtles craft on our channel!
Put the head on the front. It'll be hard to miss.
Come on, Ben! Here you go!
Sammy, wait! You ruined the lid!
Oopsie. It wasn't me, really! Think to the top, but we have another one, right?
Exactly. We need it to make a logo shape. We'll get a perfect clay circle. Let's design it! And the title. Send it to the oven to solidify. I have a bunch of Ninja Turtle stickers. Let's use them all! Here is a painted logo. We should add more colors. Like this. Turned out great, right?
Awesome! We should run a party! Turn off the lights! Oh, why is it so dark?
Sammy, you forgot about a disco ball. Try again.
Holy cannoli! It's amazing! It's the best pizza in my life! My turn! Vroom, vroom! Girls, let's party! Woohoo! We'll dance all night! Yay! Huh? What the? Who is it? We're vibing here! Oh, it's Susan! Keep quiet, everyone! Hi, Susie!
I need your help! Monsters invaded our guest room!
Danger? Okay, gotcha! I'm on board. It's not a joke. Ah! Stop panicking. Just get in the car. Hurry! Let's go!
Oh, no! Sammy! Sammy, where are you? Finally! You're right on time!
No worries, Susan. Our van beats all the villains. Ha ha!
Bye-bye! See you, friends!
Bye, everyone. Ha ha!